Deep pantries. Do you know what I'm talking about? My pantry is like super deep. When I first moved in, I thought this was a really good thing. I thought, oh my gosh, with my coupon stockpile, I can put so much items in here. I can just cram everything in and be done with it. But it sucks. Everything just gets lost in there. If I open up a box and put it inside another box, it ends up looking like this. And also, my husband has no idea it's even still in there. So any snacks, you just get lost in this pit. So I am reorganizing my pantry, and this is the problem I'm coming into. It sucks. I'm going to get bins. Hopefully that'll work. My problem is if I get a bin, is it going to topple over when I pull it out? Like if I put canned goods in it? Do you guys have this problem, or do you have a small space that you have no idea what to do with? Let me know down in the comments, because I am definitely looking for some solutions. Also, thanks for watching. I know this is a little bit of a different video than my couponing videos. Actually, they have all been that way. Not all of them, but the past 3 or 4 videos have been different. Well, the problem is I'm couponing still, just little bits here and there, so it's not even worth making a video, I don't think. Like just to say, hey, I saved 30 cents on like a can of tuna. But I know some of you guys already know Walgreens changed their policy, so it's a little bit harder to coupon there. For example, they will not accept a coupon that is higher than the price that they're selling the item for. So you have a coupon for $1 off and the item's 99 cents. You cannot use that coupon there. Also, my local grocery store stopped taking coupons at... They started taking coupons at face value, but they no longer take coupons. They used to, I'm sorry, let me start again. They used to make all coupons $1. Now they take it at face value, which is fine, but they've also limited items you can actually get coupons on. And they've made it a limit of 4, which is good because I have a smaller family. But it just, I guess it just makes for less satisfying videos and smaller hauls too. But Target, I was going to do a video for Target. I love Target. And soon I'm going to go on a shopping trip there, probably this week. It's a little difficult. I work part-time and I watch, gotta get this out of her mouth. I watch my daughter. The other parts of the time I'm not working, and as you may or may not know, having a 10-month-old is a handful. So, sorry, new phone, keep putting my hand over the camera. But let me know what you think about the pantry, any solutions you have, any solutions that have helped you, and just your thoughts on couponing, channel changes as far as having more of a lifestyle vlog. I changed the name of the channel too. It's called Cheap and Humble now because I figure it's going to match more of what my content is. And I just want to say a huge thank you to my friend, hopefully she watches this, for giving me that name, because without it I'd still be clipping with Kim, which is fine, but it just doesn't match anymore. Thanks. Have a great day, you guys.